Hey guys, welcome back to Dad's Garage. This morning Joshua and I are headed down to some buddies of mine, 360 Wraps down in Dallas. They are at Royal Lane and 635, just south of Grapevine, right there by the airport. What our plan is today is we're going to get this roof rewrapped. So this thing's kind of bothered me since the start a little bit. For one, it's just a solid black. A lot of the other ones I've seen have a carbon fiber look to them. This one also, as many of them do, I think every one I've seen has some sort of damage in the wrap on them. And I think it's mainly from taking them on and off, stuff like that. They get dinged against something. Looks like, maybe a rock hit them, something, but I think most of the time it's from taking these roofs on and off. So let me show you what I'm seeing here. A lot of the other problems with it are, it's got scuffing in it and stuff like that. So we're gonna get that all cleaned up today, but let me show you what I'm seeing. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to pick this up or not, but you can see a lot of scuffs right through here, just scratches, just all over scuffs and scratches. It's not, an eyesore or anything, because you got to really look to see it, but it's just something I've wanted fixed since the day I bought the car. You can see all this looks like rock chips. Some may be just from taking the roof on and off. But anyway, we're gonna get down there today to get this thing rewrapped. We're gonna bring that to you. Anyway, when we catch up with you next, we're gonna be down there at 360 Wraps in Dallas. And we will probably have some pretty slick cars out there too. So be looking out, because we'll see if it's there or not, but I am told that what will be there is a brand new $2.2 million McLaren that they're going to be wrapping. So it's probably the only chance that I will ever see one of those in my lifetime, other than on TV or on YouTube or something, because it's probably not something I will ever see on the road, and you may not ever see one either. So might be an opportunity for you to experience it with us. Supposed to be also a Porsche race car down there too that they're going to be wrapping. So we'll see what all they got down there when we get there. Things change. Sometimes people don't bring the cars or whatever, but or they change the schedule. But anyway, those are the things we're expecting to see. But the most important thing to me today is getting this roof rewrapped in this new material. And I think it's gonna look just awesome. So I can't wait to get down there with my friends at 360 Wraps. So we'll pick it up when we're down there here in 45 minutes or so. All right, I just got a text from my buddy over at 360 Wraps, and the McLaren Elva has not yet shown up. It's been delayed till July the 5th. So we are not going to get to see it today. There is a McLaren 720 in there, much more common car, but we'll get you some footage of it while we're in there as well. We are almost there, just about to exit Royal Lane here. We're on the south side of DFW Airport. Again, we're at 635 East and Royal Lane South.
there's a lot of cool other stuff in here too that I am going to show you here just shortly. So I got this Porsche race car down here. It is for sale, by the way. McLaren 720. It's getting wrapped. Working on this Raptor over here. Got the Shelby. A couple of racing side by sides. So we initially came down here just to do the roof, but as we were talking about it, I had mentioned the mirrors, and we decided we're going to go ahead and do the mirrors with that same material. So not only will we cover up some of the rock chips we've got on the mirrors, but we will also give them protection and also give it some of that match with the roof. So I think it's going to look really awesome. right, so I don't know how much of this I brought to you earlier, but we got a GT500 here. It's got the carbon fiber wheels. This thing has had the stripes installed and a Expel over the whole car. So pretty amazing ride right there. Take you inside real quick. Pretty slick. All right, here we are, finished product. Out here in the sunlight. Not sure how it's coming off on the camera, but looks pretty darn slick. I love it. Tell me what you think in comments below. And for now, that's it for this time on Dad's Garage.